Hey everyone, in this full guide, I'll show you how to make Reels in CapCut in 2026. So whether you're creating Instagram Reels, Facebook Reels, or short-form content for social media, yeah, CapCut gives you powerful tools to create smooth and engaging videos quickly. First, open CapCut and click New Project to start creating your reel. Next, import your videos or photos by clicking Import or dragging your media files directly into CapCut. For Reels, make sure the aspect ratio is set to 9:16. This vertical format is perfect for Instagram and mobile viewing. You can also use speed ramping or slow motion effects to create more cinematic and dramatic reel edits. To improve the overall look, apply filters or manually adjust brightness, contrast, and saturation for a cleaner visual style. Once your reel is ready, click Export and choose high-quality settings like 1080p before saving the final video. After exporting, upload the reel to Instagram or Facebook, then add captions, hashtags, and a cover image before posting. And that's basically how to make reels in CapCut in 2026. With the right music, effects, captions, and pacing, you can create engaging short-form content directly from your PC or laptop. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.